Can I get clients by messaging 20 restaurants? Let's find out. Before starting my video, I want to introduce myself. My name is Manan. I am 16 years old. I am from South India. This is my finance and documentary channel. Here I am going to document my journey. In this channel, you won't get any fake informations like other YouTubers. You get only real outcomes. Without wasting our precious time, let's get into the video. I have already sent text messages for few restaurants. As you can see in the video, I have texted 11 restaurants. In that, I received only one reply. Actually, he is not satisfied with my edit. It's actually my assumption, not his call. As you can see, no reply from other restaurants. If you want to know how to write call messages or how to do an edit, just let me know in comment. I will make a specific video. In part 2 video, I will show how to find restaurants contact details. If you want to be the part of my team, I will let you know soon. Make sure to subscribe Built by Manan.